Hi everyone, my name is John, and this week we're going to talk about Rogers' humanist theory. As you can see, this is our Carl Roger, and we're going to talk about his educational opinions. So let's get started with our outline. What is humanism? We're going to learn first what is humanism, and then facilitative learning and experiential learning, which is sports. What is humanism? We heard about humanism so much, I guess. Humanism is an approach to life based on reason and our common humanity, recognizing that moral values are properly founded on human nature and experience alone. Humanism was developed to contrast cognitism and behaviorism. Last week, we talked about cognitism and behaviorism, and at the link, there are listed below. And this is humanism, as we talked about. The key perspectives of humanism are as follows. People have a natural desire to learn in order to achieve self-actualization. So, us human beings have this tendency to learn. It is a desire that comes naturally. And it's not the outcome that it is the most important part of education. It is the process of learning itself. So it's not a part, it's the whole process. And the students themselves should be in control of their learning and it should be achieved through observing and exploring. So our keywords are exploring and observing. The teacher should be an encouraging role model, motivating, guiding, and supporting students on their own personal journey. So our teacher must be as a hero to show ourselves the way what should we do and motivate every step we made. And facilitative learning. Rogers views the teacher as a facilitator to learning rather than just a conveyor of knowledge. So it just make for us simple to learn, and the success of the teacher is in their ability to build positive relationship with students. So the teacher must get on well with their students, and the teacher should understand how they feel and motivate them, and they shouldn't hate the class, and they should focus on learning. So we have some characterized things that every teacher should have. And there are three main characteristics we're going to learn. First, realness. The teacher should be themselves and use their own personality when teaching, so they shouldn't fake. Being real with students creates an add of trust between students and a teacher. If I can't trust you, as a student, I don't want to listen your class and we can't have a connection. So this is a problem. That's why we should be real as a teacher. The teacher should be able to convey their feelings rather than just being a monochromatic robot. So a teacher should show their feeling. Another characterized thing, prizing, accepting, and trusting. A teacher should care about their students and accept their feelings regardless of whether they assist or distract from learning. So every mistake we did, every success we achieved, they should prize, accept, and trust us, and we should see their trust. Through these characteristics, deeper trust and respect is built, and it's just make our connection better, and we can get the maximum effectiveness from a class or a lecture. Empathy, understanding the student's perception of learning and their feelings. A teacher was a student, so he or she knows how we feel, and they shouldn't forget that we are humans too and we have feelings and sometimes we can make mistakes. So they should just understand our feelings and just act according to it. And we learned about humanism and how to apply it on the class space. So other tips to apply, tips for a teacher: provide motivation for classroom tasks. My favorite teacher was the teacher that who motivated me the most, who believed in me, and I can see that okay, he is trusting me and believe in me, so I should do something to achieve success. So this is the key part of this whole presentation. Provide motivation for the student and provide choices to student in task subject selection. So don't just do that. You will take this class, you will do this homework. This is what you should do. No, show me the options, then I can choose what I want. So understand that all students are different and they have different choices, different interestings, and they should choose according to it and create opportunities for group work with peers. I said our keywords are observing and exploring, and if the teacher create opportunities for group work, they just can observe other friends, their friends, and explore new learning tips from them, and it just creates a better classroom environment. So this is our tips, and thank you for listening to me. I hope this was a beneficial one, and have a great day.